Hello friends, how are you doing today? Today is an exciting day because we do have our first Fendi. This is our first Fendi bag, me and Sebastian. So we went to Europe, we went to Paris on my birthday week, which is last month, in October, the last week of October. And then we went to VALLE VILLAGE. It's like the outlet there for some of the luxury brands like Prada, Gucci, Fendi, and then here, hence this one is here. This particular product, I saw this one already on 24S. If you know that one, 24s.com, it's kind of like LVMH website company website that they do have the sales in there for Louis Vuitton, Dior, Fendi. So I'm going to link down in the description below so you're able to find it out about 24S. But anyways, going back to my lovely new bag. So yeah, total we bought 2 bags from the Paris trip that we have, and then we're going to have a separate unboxing for that because this one is the exciting one. This one, guess the color, because the color of this one, it's kind of like really shocking. So we'll take a moment first and then and then guess the color of this bag. Comment below. This one is an unusual color for us, but we love it. I love it anyways. We used this one already when we were there. Probably if you're following us on Instagram, you already saw it there. Our Instagram is Carlo&Seb. You can follow us on that, and then I'll link that one below. Anyways, going back to this one, we don't have the box. But why? Because we came from Paris. Of course, custom we're going to when we land here in America, customs we're going to investigate and stuff, whatever. So we don't want that hassle anymore. So we didn't bring the box. We left it at Sebastian's mom's house in Paris. So that's that, because you're wondering why is it just the pouch that we have. So that's the only thing we got, and then the receipt. This one, it's very good sale because this one is in VALLE VILLAGE. But anyways, look at this one. So this is the it's yellow. Whoop! Yay! This one is the mini bag. So this one is a sold out mini bag that they have. This one is an old version of it anyways, as you can see. So yeah, it's yellow. So yeah, it's yellow. It's kind of like a lunch bag type of thing. It does have 4 feet in there, and then you will see that it's Fendi. So Fendi on there. It does have a cute handle on here with silver hardware. We already have a scratch because we used this one in Paris last time. And then it does have the front pocket in here. Inside, let's check this out. Inside, it goes all the way, the zipper goes all the way to the bottom, but the bottom part, of course, doesn't have, but yeah, to both sides. And then it's a big hole inside, and then we do have the shoulder strap. So inside you will see the Fendi logo in there, the Fendi made in Italy, and then it's just one whole black interior in there. So this is the I have it on here. This is called the mini bag. This is so nice, made of a yellow leather look rubber material with FF motif. So you can see the FF motif in here. There's one in there, one in here, one in here. So yeah, it's Fendi Roma. It's really nice. And then this is the strap of it. So yeah, and then it does have, say, Fendi in there, and then there's a Fendi on the clasp. So yeah, there's 2 ways to wear this one. So this one is 100% calf leather inside, 100% calf leather polyester. So the outside is calf leather, the inside is polyester. The height of this one is 17.5 inches. And then the depth of this one is 6 centimeter. The width is 12 centimeter and the weight is 0.5 kilogram. And then there's also a black of this one, and then there's a black with a Fendi logo, but that's a fabric one. It's called Travel Mini Bag. If you're going to look at that one. If you're going to look at the website, it's sold out and it's 1,350. But you know me and you know Sebastian, we will not going to pay 1,350 for this one because it's the outlet. It was $595. Woohoo! So we probably saved like $900 or $800. Do the math. Minus there's a Detax of $71 for 71 euros because I'm a foreigner from Europe anyway, from Paris. So you do that. You do have a Detax when you leave the country. You're going to have a paper and then you're just going to scan it at the airport. That means that you left the country already, and then they will give you the refund, either cash or credit card. I will have a separate video for that to how Detax is working and how it works and stuff like that. So stay tuned on that one. But this one is $595. It was $1,350. That's a huge savings. So I'll show you this so that you know that I'm not kidding about it. There you go. And then the good thing about this one is there's 2 ways to wear it. Oh, actually 3 ways to wear it. One way is to hold it like this. Yes, there you go, right? You're like walking and then you're like walking with this one. The second way is put it on here on the side as a shoulder bag, right? So you can cross body bag it. You can just over the shoulder type of thing. And then there's another way to use it. There's another one on here that you can put so that you can wear it like that. So actually there's 4 ways, because after this you can also put it this way if you want to. Hold on. There you go. Right, so cool. So there's a lot of ways to wear this one, but with us, we wore it like this one on both sides, of course. So we wore it like this. And then just be careful because there's already a transfer here already from the jeans that we wore. But anyway, so this is that. Were you shocked about the color of this one? It is a really nice bag. We love it. And it is Fendi. It is our first Fendi bag. I love this one. And then it is a really good deal. So that's why. 3 months back, I was already telling this to Seb because I kept on looking at the 24s.com, and then this one caught my eyes. And then within there, by that time, it was like $700. But I was like, I don't want to spend $700 for a bag. So that's that. And then when we went to Fendi outlet at VALLE Village, and then I saw it, I was like, baby, look at this, it's here. So yeah, that's why we bought it already, because it's really a good sale anyways. So this is our first Fendi bag from Paris trip that we have. There's more unboxing for you guys that we're going to do. And I hope you like this video. Subscribe now, comment below, and then push the notification bell so that you know that you will get informed when we have a new video. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb. Do what makes you happy. We will see you again in the next video. I love you all. Bye. We'll see you again. So yeah, you will see more pictures of this one now on our Instagram as an official bag that we have from Paris. Anyway, thank you very much. Bye.